I just purchased my 100th sneaker in the last week of August. So when I was 14, 15 years old, that is when I started watching NBA. So because of the inclination of watching NBA, I got to know about sneaker styles and what the sneaker culture was. Then slowly and steadily I started buying shoes. India में तो Jordans directly मिलते नहीं थे तभी, तो पहले तो सुपरस्टार्स खरीदे, सुपरस्टार्स के बाद में धीरे धीरे स्टैन स्मिथ्स लिए, ठीक है, वो करते करते then when we traveled abroad, then that was the time when I bought my first Jordan, and that is when the entire journey actually started. क्यों Jordan खरीदना was the catalyst. The moment Virgil Abloh dropped the 10 collection, that is when I was more hooked to the scene than ever. So वो collection में एक Air Jordan 1 था, the UNC, the Off-White Air Jordan 1 UNC. I call it my holy grail because when that shoe came out, वो जूते ने मुझे sneakerhead बनाया, या वो the 10 collection ने मुझे sneakerhead बनाया. So UNC was that one shoe which meant the world to me. There are multiple things to this. So like I said, I have an inclination to Jordans. Though when I started buying shoes, when I was 14, 15 years old, I bought Superstars then. But slowly and steadily, I think after 2017, I've stopped buying Adidas shoes. There are two main reasons to it. One is the inclination to Nike and the way Nike has been creating shoes, the colorways, the collaborations have been superior to any other brand that exists. Second is, I am a big Drake fan. I'm a Drake idol, okay? So the moment he dropped his verse in Sicko Mode, checks over stripes, okay, that meant Nike over Adidas. That was like approval to my own thought process कि I am a Nike boy, and वो भी एक statement आ गया. I buy shoes because of the story behind it and because of my own story connected with it. तो वो reason से I've been a Nike boy and I'll be a Nike boy. So no stripes for me. I have two pairs. One is the Off-White Air Force 1 Volts because of the unique colorway it has. It's such a pop colorway that the moment I saw it, I was like, I want this. And that shoe, I think it took me around about 2 years to find and buy it at the price I wanted to. Because resale market of that shoe is skyrocketing every day. It's going up and up. So to find that shoe in my size at my price was a very big task. It took me around 2 years to get there. So that is one pair, and the second one is the UNC. UNC is perhaps, in my opinion, the best shoe I have. There are much better shoes that my friends say you have in your collection, but for me it's the UNC because that one shoe is why I became such a big sneaker head or a sneaker enthusiast, and I started buying sneakers serially. Oh, of course, yes. There is such a big opportunity not only in India but all around the world. You can't imagine the size. In India, you've never heard stories from people saying, they used to save money each year, wait till Christmas and buy a Jordan. India में आपको वो story सुनने नहीं मिलेगी कभी क्योंकि access नहीं था to those shoes. But thanks to the resale game now in India and with the hype stores coming up, you have access. It is still limited, it is still pricey, but वो आ रहा है. So the game is definitely coming to India. And इंडिया में इतने स्नीकर हेड्स और बनने बाकी है जिन्होंने अभी तक एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया वो स्नीकर हेड है. वो एक मोमेंट आता है कि व्हेन यू एक्चुअली रियलाइज कि अरे हाँ यार दिस इज़ फॉर मी, तो ये होना बाकी है. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रीसेलिंग आई फील अभी तक तो वी आर जस्ट ऑन द टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग इन इंडिया. अभी तक तो बहुत कुछ बाकी है एंड द साइज ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी इज मैसिव. यू जस्ट कांट पुट नंबर्स टू इट. Big fan of it, glad it is happening, and hopefully it keeps growing at the pace at which it is growing, or grows more exponentially than it has grown in the past few years. Because it is what will drive everything in India. It will drive more launches, more number of shoes being allotted to India in terms of launches on Nike sneakers and all other platforms, and the world will know India is a big sneakerhead hub because right now, to be honest, we follow what the West does. The biggest sneaker culture is from America. People follow America. I think perhaps every Indian sneakerhead in his mind would have a dream or have a feeling that one day India, in a very small way, even if it's in a small way, should drive the sneaker culture worldwide. So it is meeting Virgil Abloh, okay, and discussing how he actually, he is an architect by education. He started Off-White. In his entire journey, he built Louis Vuitton where it is today in the last 3 or 4 years. And then came and collaborated with Nike, made the 10 collection, which is perhaps, I think, Nike's biggest collaboration till date. And the offbeat ideas that he has related to fashion, related to sneakers, I just want to talk to him about it. How did he start? And what is the basic reason behind him being so offbeat? So me and 2 of my very good friends are working on something, and one of them is a very well-known reseller in India. So we are working on a sneaker reselling app for India especially, so that people in India can also buy stuff which is authenticated, legit checked from a verified source, directly delivered to them. So first and foremost would be flexing your outfits and flexing your sneakers is expensive. Don't expect your parents to pay for it. Second is, if you even buy a pair which you like, it is unbranded, कोई brand कोई जानता नहीं, या कोई hoodie मिलती है जो कोई unbranded है कोई जानता नहीं, but you like it, you can carry it and it gives you a very good feel inside कि आपका confidence build होता है वो चीज़ पहन के. Do it. Start buying sneakers, start buying out hoodies, start styling yourself. जो है उसमें start styling. If you have a feeling for a shoe, just wear it, just flex it. It is, in the end, it is you who will carry it. It is you who matters, and your sneaker game matters to your own self. वो बोलना है कि वो secret रखना है.
So guys, I want to check out one of his secret sneakers. I'm super excited for this. Let's go.
So the box is not in a great condition, but but I'm sure you'll probably.
I don't care about the box. I'm super excited for the shoe. Oh my god. Dude, are you serious?
Yeah.
Got these?
Air Easy 2 Solar.
Dude, seriously,
Fresh.
this is insane.
Yeah.
Yeezys, Nike.
Nike Yeezys.
Okay, how much you got these for?
Let that be under wraps. I wouldn't talk about it.
Guys, do you want to really know the price for how much he got it? He's not really comfortable in sharing the price. You can drop your thoughts in the comment section if you really want to know the price. I would surely find out the price at which he got these sneakers and share you the information.
And I'm going to wear this shoe. One thing I'm certain, this is not just going to sit in the box.
Okay.
I'm going to wear this.
You want to rock it?
I'm going to rock it and I'm going to beat the shit out of this shoe.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
I'm just loving this guy. Okay, anyway. Can I? So guys, that was a crazy sneaker tour or a sneakerhead video with a passionate sneakerhead Simar Anand. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and let us know which part of the video you loved the most. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.